Hi guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. In today's video, we're going to do something that we haven't done in a very long time. In today's video, we are going to be doing a spring/Easter tablescape. So I hope that you guys enjoy it. I will leave all the tools that you need to recreate this whole tablescape down in the description box below. So let's hop right in. I used this moss wreath as my base, and then I added in the greenery and the hydrangeas. Now I give a very slow, very detailed tutorial on my Amazon Live. It starts around the 17-minute mark, and I think it took me maybe 10 minutes to make this, but I did stop in between to kind of walk through the process. Now, after I placed all of the hydrangeas, I went in with some pink florals. I also went in with some pink hydrangeas, and again, I will link that step-by-step tutorial down in the description box below. Now, once I add all of the florals in, you guys, I was just absolutely in love with the turnout. So super easy to make and very affordable to make as well. And I just used just a mixture of pink, white, and green flowers, but you can use whatever mixture you choose. Again, to see that detailed tutorial step by step, I will link that video down below. I absolutely love the way that this turned out. I love the fact that it's on a Lazy Susan, so I can turn it any angle I'd like to whenever we are entertaining this spring. I love all the florals on the inside of this centerpiece, from the greenery to the roses, hydrangeas, the pom-poms. I also use some of the Leaves Moment florals. It just looks so beautiful and so springy. I even added a little ribbon here to kind of nod to the current ribbon trend or the ribbon craze that has been going on all over social media. So let's get started on this tablescape. For starters, we're going to be using this black fluted charger that I found at the Dollar Tree. You can also find these online on Amazon and at Hobby Lobby. I love it because it meshes so well with the base of my table. Next up, we are going to be adding this absolutely gorgeous striped plate that I kind of got on an amazing deal a few years ago at Hobby Lobby. I got it for 50% off. I'm in love with it, along with this polka dot Kate Spade melamine plate that I purchased at Dillard's a few years ago, and I am just loving all of the Kate Spade vibes that this spring tablescape is giving. Now, next up, you guys know how I love to mix and match things that don't necessarily go together. For me, you know, when you do this, it kind of just adds interest to the overall look and feel of the table. So I have 3 different pieces here that are from 3 different places, and it just really makes your look collected, right? It just looks different. So I'm going to add in this gold silverware. It's kind of a flat gold, if you will, not super shiny, but I'm going to add that on either side of this table setting, and I think that pop of gold just really bounces off of that black. And then to add to the spring/Easter vibe, I'm going to add in these polka dot carrots. Not sure if I want to put it at the top of the plate, on the plate, or on the side of the plate, but for right now I'm going to put it next to the knife just to bring a little bit of interest and character to the table. I can easily remove the carrots off later, but for now I think it really looks cute. Now, here is the star of the show. I don't know if you guys caught my Amazon live when I shared these pearl napkin rings, but they are amazing. Theyarethebomb.com. I will link the live down below, but you definitely need to check out that live to grab these napkin rings. They are an excellent price, great quality, very different, dainty, sophisticated, and I just absolutely love them. But I will leave that link to the live down below. You will also get the full tutorial of how I added the napkin rings onto the napkins, as well as step-by-step of me doing the centerpiece. But for now, let's get into the napkin. So for the napkin, I'm using this crushed taffeta. I'm absolutely in love with it. It is so beautiful and perfect for the spring. It's also great for Mother's Day. So what I'm going to do is just add the napkin ring over on the napkin and just kind of put it to the corner side of the plate. That is just kind of my, I don't know, everyone has like their signature. So me putting the napkin kind of like on that corner plate, y'all know that's just my signature. I love the way it looks. It just adds just that extra element of class and sophistication. Now, speaking of class and sophistication, I'm going to add in this bubble wine glass that I also got on Amazon. It's actually in a blush color, but I am in love with it. This is one of the wine glasses I have, okay? The other one is this pearl stemmed wine glass. I actually found these at Ross, and then someone gifted them to me for my birthday and Christmas one year. So I would love for you guys to tell me down in the comments, which one do you prefer? The pearl rimmed glass or the pink one? Like, I had the toughest time deciding. I will tell you why. I felt like the pearl glass just kind of worked really well with the pearl napkin ring, but then the pink glass really meshed well with the pink napkin. So, hey, pink or pearl? You guys vote down in the comments and let me know. I think I'm going to put the word pink and then the word pearl, and then you guys let me know which one you prefer down in the comments. I am so excited to see what you guys think about that. So I hope that you all enjoyed today's video. Be sure to let me know down in the comments below if you prefer the pearl or the pink goblets. Thank you all again so much for watching, and if you want to see the full tutorial step by step on how we created this beautiful centerpiece, be sure to check it out on Amazon. I will leave the link down below, and that link will also include all the products that we use in today's video. I'll see you guys at the next one. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!